Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just to show you this 2021 Chrysler Grand Caravan that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the van today, just to show you some of the features and options that this Grand Caravan has to offer. So starting with, it is in your black paint finish, accented by your chrome badging across the unit. It is packed full of a lot of great features as well. Coming around towards the back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped there, so a great safety feature included there. Your power lift gate as well. In the back of the unit here, you can see there's tons of cargo space to keep your gear bags kind of secured and out of the way while on the go. You also do have your stow and go third row seats, as you can see there. So when those third row seats aren't needed, you can easily fold down those seats completely flat to give you a little bit more storage space as well. So again, just your power lift gate. So just to check out some of the features inside. So you do also have your power sliding doors as well. So just to check out some of the features inside here, so the van itself can sit up to 7 passengers, so you can get 2 in that second row, as you can see there with those bucket seats. Quite a bit of legroom there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably as well. In that third row, again, you can get 3 passengers back there, and again, those seats do fold down to give you a little bit more storage space when the seats aren't needed. So again, just your power sliding doors. Up top, you do have your rear DVD player. As you can see there, keep the passengers entertained while on the go. Up front, you do have your touchscreen display area. Very user-friendly interface here. You have access to, of course, all your audio media controls built in there, your climate controls as well. Access to some of the apps that are included in through there. So you do have your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth capabilities, and your settings as well. Just below that, access to your, again, basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there. Media ports just down in there, in through your center console area, a little bit of storage space throughout there, keep things organized well on the go. Key fob for the unit here. You do have remote start included, a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to all your cruise control options, Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities, audio media controls behind the steering wheel. Make sure you can keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this Chrysler Grand Caravan has tons of great features packed into it. Could make a great everyday vehicle, especially if you're looking for something with that little bit of extra passenger space. If you have questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.